In today's video, we're gonna be using Fiverr to make money on CPE Build or in CPA Grape or any other content lock-in or incentive CPE offers in or with one strategy that I'm just about to share with you. So if you are interested in making money on CPE Build or any other, as I said, incentive traffic allowed CPA offers, this is the best video to watch because we're gonna be using Fiverr to apply today's strategy. So make sure to stay and to watch this video till the end, and as well make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure as well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so this way you will support me to upload more content and more strategies to make money with CPA marketing or affiliate marketing or any other steps or strategies and tactics that you can follow as a complete beginner to start making money online. So as you can see right here, we are on CPA Grape. So as I said, this strategy works with any CPA marketing network. Just make sure that this CPA network allow incentive traffic. That's why I said CPA Build and OG Ads, CPA Grape, AdWork Media, because all of these networks are actually allowing you to do some incentive traffic promotion and some incentive promotion to their CPA offers. It's okay with them, all right? Good. So how we are gonna use or how we can use Fiverr, because we know all of us know that Fiverr is a marketplace. How we can use it to make money on CPA marketing, and especially with incentive traffic, CPA traffic or CPE offers and all of this stuff. So the strategy is really simple. First, go to Fiverr and type something on the search bar, and because I'm just trying to get some relevant tasks, right, or gigs to what I'm looking for, so I typed data entry, right? So once I type data entry, look how many services available we get right here with under or with $5. So as you can see right here on the filter bar right here, I stopped the max price with $5. So we're gonna be paying only $5 to generate $20 or $30. It's up to you. I'm gonna share with you how we can do so. So all what you have to do, as I said, is just go and type something like data entry, then try to go and make the budget as a max $5. So we will pay only $5 in case if we want to make more profit with the strategy. Then you can go with seller details, right? But this one we're gonna set it up after, right? Okay. So as you can see right here, as I said, we have 39,000 services available, which means 39,000 people available, and they want to make money and they want you to get the service from them. So how we can use or how we can get help from these people to make money on CPA Grab or CPA Build? Well, you will, or what you have to do is collect 10 offers, okay? Collect 10 offers of this email submit offers because they are easy to complete, right? And just create a landing page, okay? And put these 10 offers on your landing page, just in links or buttons, right? And then go to Fiverr and contact a seller. For example, let's say this one, because here we will pay only $5. We will ask this person right here to complete our CPE offers, and we will pay him $5. Okay, so we are paying $5 to get 10 conversions, and 10 conversions at least it will make you something like $22 or even $25. So we will spend $5 to make $25. It's really easy, as you can see right here. It's all about contacting people. So you will start to contact this person to get 10 conversions, then you have to contact this one as well to get 10 conversions, and right here with this one as well 10 conversions, and make sure to contact as much as possible. It depends on your budget And what is the best with this method is you will not pay any money, or you will not accept the service or the order, or you will not submit for up after they submit the work for approval. You have to make sure that you get your commissions on your CPA offers, and then you will accept and you will pay him $5. So it's not like going to Facebook ads and start to create campaigns, and maybe your campaigns get banned or get blocked or something like that, and out of this headache. And even if your campaigns get approved, then you have to pay a lot of money just per click. Imagine you will pay something like 50 cents per click, and you will not get any commissions, and you will spend something like $100 to make something like $10. But with this strategy, from the beginning, you know how much money you're gonna make, and you know how much money you're gonna invest or you're gonna pay, and it's a win-win situation. So you will make money, so you win, and as well you provide these people with some work to do, and you pay the money so they make money. So you can make money, and this people as well, they will make money. So you are not doing this kind of people that are using this content locking landing pages, and they just promise people with something, and at the end it didn't give them anything either than they get conversions. So this is a good strategy, but there are a couple of restrictions you need to follow. First, don't apply this strategy with any or with with any CPE marketing network. Okay, don't do it with Max Bounty or with Clickbank or all of these other big companies, because they didn't or they don't allow incentive traffic or incentive promotions. But with CPE Grip, CPE Lead, CPE Build, and all of this kind of uh, companies, they allow incentive traffic. But as well, maybe there are some companies that will allow uh, uh, incentive with cash. Okay, to pay people. That's why I said all the time, make sure to use your landing page, so they will not know your traffic where it's coming from. Okay, or maybe you have to ask this person right here. Okay, for example, if you work with this one right here, ask him and tell them something like, go to Google and type the domain name of your landing page, and to go and to click on it on Google. So this way you get traffic from Google, and you will not get banned, and you will save your money. So, but yeah, as well, before I forget, uh, the most important thing is make sure the seller details is matched the offer requirements, right? So this is offers from United States traffic. So all the time, make sure to sort the sellers based on the locations, and all the time type seller lives in United States. So we have 139 people or sellers available in United States. They can provide you with this service right here, and just click on apply. Once you click on apply, you will see people that are located in the US. So this way you make sure that you will get your commissions with no problem. So that was the strategy and how it worked. Hope you like it. Make sure to leave a like for this video, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case if you want to learn more strategies and tactics that we can do to make money with CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, or generally making money online. See you on the next video.